What up, yeah? So I went ahead and cut these out like just a minute ago. So I'm about to cut these out. It's got a regular little blade. Don't worry about why it's pink. It came free with something. I think I bought some vinyl one time and it came. But yeah, so that part where the resin actually soaked in real good, it's gonna be tough to cut that part. So what I do, you can cut it on that, but I just cut as much of the fabric that's still soft as possible, and the rest of it, like this, the hard part, you can grind that down with the same grinder that I was using. What was it in the video when I was opening the headlights? The new one, the little one. I use that to just kind of grind it down till it meets up with the actual wood rings for the speakers. But just to rough cut it, it won't hurt to just cut just the fabric part, like so. So yeah, just like that. Cut all of these out. Once you get them out, grind this piece down till it's even with the wood, and then it'll be time to actually start doing the fiberglass mat. And I would have been working today, but it's been raining all morning, so it's finally clearing up. But it's got that little where it sprinkles a little bit every couple minutes, so I don't want to get out there and then it start back, coming down, getting everything wet. So just getting this little preliminary stuff out the way while I'm in the garage and can't really enjoy outside. But yeah, I've been listening to that new J. Cole too, that KOD. It's interesting. I hadn't really heard all of it yet, but if you listen to it, tell me what you think about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting this because I kind of need this other hand to hold it steady. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so the last step before the actual fiberglass mat. All of these rough edges that are hanging over and all of that. Let's see. All of this overlapping from the circle and over the TV mount or whatever you choose to mount. All of this extra, you got to trim that off so you have a fresh, even, everything ends where it's supposed to end, So once you start doing your mat, everything will line up. Alright, so before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and fiberglass the back side of this TV on both of them just to reinforce that in, get that going, and I'll flip it over, and I'm gonna start the 3 layers on that side.